UpOnly Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The UpOnly Wallet app is built for a new kind of crypto experience, one that mixes investing, gaming, and prediction markets into a single platform. But is this combination really as powerful as it sounds? Let's explore the pros and cons of the UpOnly Wallet and see what makes it unique. Starting with the pros, UpOnly Wallet integrates seamlessly with the UpOnly ecosystem, which focuses on play-to-earn gaming and prediction markets. Users can store, manage, and trade crypto assets tied to gaming performance data and forecasts. This creates a fresh use case, not just storing coins, but interacting with real blockchain-based predictions. The interface is surprisingly sleek and easy to navigate. It's designed with newcomers in mind, allowing even beginners to connect the wallets to prediction pools or gaming tokens in just a few taps. For experienced traders, UpOnly supports multiple blockchain networks, giving flexibility across ecosystems like Ethereum and Ben Smart Chain. Security is another plus. The wallet is non-custodial, which means you control your keys and funds. It also implements standard encryption and supports two-factor authentication for added protection. However, the cons are worth considering. Since UpOnly is tied closely to prediction markets and gaming, it's more niche than mainstream wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you're only holding Bitcoin or stablecoins, its features may feel excessive. Another drawback is limited adoption. While UpOnly's concept is exciting, the ecosystem is still growing, so liquidity and integration with major DeFi platforms are somewhat limited. In short, the UpOnly Wallet app is an innovative tool for those who want to engage in gaming-based investing and prediction data markets. But for traditional crypto holders, it might feel like a specialized side wallet rather than a primary one. Still, as blockchain gaming evolves, UpOnly could be ahead of the curve, and that's what makes it so intriguing.